Most people with kidney issues don't notice serious symptoms until it's too late. That's why knowing what to eat and what to avoid is crucial for keeping your kidneys in tip-top shape. Let's jump right into the 10 foods that are secretly destroying your kidneys, and I know you eat them all the time. So stick around till the end because your health depends on it. First up, dairy products. Yep, those creamy, delicious staples like cheese, yogurt, and milk might be hurting your kidneys. High in calcium, dairy can lead to the formation of kidney stones, painful deposits that can wreak havoc on your urinary system. Plus, for those with compromised kidney function, the phosphorus in dairy products can build up in your blood, causing bone disease and heart problems. Shocking, right? But we're just getting started. Next, let's talk about red meat. Beef, pork, lamb, and goat. Red meat is rich in saturated fats, which can lead to obesity, hypertension, and cardiovascular disease, all of which are bad news for your kidneys. Too much red meat also raises blood pressure, which just so happens to be the leading cause of kidney damage. So, think twice before you reach for that extra burger. Avocados, the beloved superfood, can also pose a risk to your kidneys. They're high in potassium, which is great for most people, but not if your kidneys are on the fritz. Excess potassium can lead to hyperkalemia, a potentially life-threatening condition. So, if you're a kidney patient, be mindful of your avocado intake. Now let's dive into soda and sugary drinks. These sweet treats are kidney killers. Loaded with sugar, they can lead to obesity, diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. Fructose in sugary drinks increases uric acid production, which can cause kidney stones. And don't think diet sodas are any better. Artificial sweeteners can also damage your kidneys. So stick to water and save your kidneys some trouble. Coffee lovers, brace yourselves. While a cup of joe can benefit your kidneys, too much caffeine is a no-no. Excess caffeine can raise blood pressure and increase calcium excretion in urine, leading to kidney stones. Moderation is key. Stick to about 200 to 400 milligrams of caffeine per day, which is roughly 1 to 4 cups of coffee. Soy products like tofu, soy milk, and edamame are high in potassium and can be problematic for those with kidney issues. Plus, soy contains goitrogens, which can interfere with thyroid function and further strain your kidneys. So if you're a soy fan with kidney concerns, it's best to monitor your intake. Almonds might be your go-to healthy snack, but they're also high in oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stone formation. Plus, the potassium content in almonds can be risky for people with impaired kidney function. Enjoy almonds in moderation to keep those kidneys happy. 8. High sodium foods. High sodium foods are everywhere, from processed snacks to restaurant meals. Excess sodium can cause water retention, increasing blood pressure, and overworking your kidneys. High sodium intake is a leading cause of kidney disease, so watch out for those salty snacks and opt for low sodium options whenever possible. 9. Shellfish like shrimp, crab, and oysters are delicious but can be dangerous for your kidneys. High in purines, shellfish can increase uric acid levels, leading to kidney stones and gout. Shellfish can also accumulate heavy metals like mercury and cadmium, damaging your kidneys over time. So enjoy shellfish sparingly, and be cautious if you have kidney issues. 10 is high-phosphorus foods. Phosphorus is essential for bone health, but too much can be harmful, especially if your kidneys are struggling. Processed foods, fast foods, dairy products, nuts, seeds, and whole grains can all be high in phosphorus. For those with kidney disease, excess phosphorus can weaken bones and lead to calcium phosphate crystal formation in tissues, causing damage and inflammation. A balanced diet is key to keeping your kidneys and overall health in check. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more healthy, fun food tips.